Hello guys, in today's video, as you can see, I have the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, and I'm going to tell you how to insert the SIM card and activate the eSIM on your device. Let's start with the eSIM. At first, when you go to your phone settings and here go to the connections, you should see Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, ultra-wideband, etc. Tap here SIM Manager. Once you are here, you need to add, of course, the eSIM. You need to tap Add eSIM over here. Here, as you can see, you can either transfer SIM from another device, scan the QR code, and search for the eSIMs. You can tap each option to just achieve what you want. And the process is the same as on every other device. Scan QR code, transfer SIM from another device, or search for the eSIM. If you want to add the physical SIM to your device, at first you need to close your device and find here the SIM card placement. Where is it placed? As you can see, it's right here. So now you need to get your SIM card ejector. As you can see, I do have mine over here, and you always get yourself with your phone. You have there's always one in every single box. So now here, as you can see, we will have this tray for the SIM cards. It's like this, and here, as you can see, we have SIM 2 and SIM 1. It's labeled, so let me use the SIM 1. Here, as you can see, here we have our nano SIM card, and we need to just place it correctly on the tray. You need to see that it's correctly placed over here, and it is just nicely leveled. Here it is, and now we need to take our phone right again and just place our SIM card tray in our device. As you can see, now we had some alert, but it works, and now we are all done. That's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.